Alright, guys, welcome back. So, this is another video on client hunting using Upwork. So, this is basically a method 6, which is very important for you guys to know that, if you're starting out as a freelancer and you don't know how to find clients, how to find digital marketing agencies or any agencies, any skills you have regarding an app. So, what you need is you need to let me show you the process. What is actually the process of finding these agencies. You need to search this Upwork digital marketing agency. Upwork digital marketing agencies, which are already open. So you email marketing agencies or advertising agencies or AI automation agencies. The skills, what type of skills you have. So based on that, you will search, just Upwork. So here you can see they have 50 plus email marketing agencies, or you can say digital marketing. So what you need is you need to click on each of these agencies and see, so what do you need they are, what kind of, services they are actually offering to their clients, right? So we need to see this. Just click on this Infinity Web Solutions. So they're actually, providing their clients to these services: article writing, Facebook, graphic design, e-commerce, website development, customer support, researchers, social media marketing. So what you need is you need to click on this and read, read what type of agency or what type of agency this is and from where this agency is based on. So here you can see this is from Philippines. And you also need to see the revenue of this agency, that how of this agency. If you just look out at the revenue, you will eventually see that this agency is a big one, or this is this is a small one. So you need to, based on the revenue. I don't know why this is not opening up. Just open this. Scroll down and see this one. So this is basically based in Pakistan. So you can also see what end services they are offering to their clients. So there is a chance, which they can hire you as a freelancer or as a B2B. If you are running an agency, you can also uh, pitch your services to these people, that I would want, we can help you with the with these services. So you can also pitch regarding your servicing your, basically what you need is you need to copy this and just search on Google about this agency, and then you need to see the website they have, and just get the email address and phone numbers of these particular agencies. Here you can see also they have the website. Just open the website and get the email address and the phone numbers. Here you can see they're also on Google Maps. So that's why it also show you the address and phone number. The address and phone. This is how you should grab their phone numbers. So this is actually an extension phone number. You need to find the number from this particular agency website. And you can also click on, you can also email that this is an extension email extractor. So just click on this, so you will eventually get to see some of the emails. So right now, I guess they don't have either the number on this website, because the website you can see is a little bit weird. Menus, you know mostly, you will see the menus in the header section, but they also put it in here, and I guess that's okay. Let's move to the other one. So this is actually a way which you can find email addresses and phone numbers of these agencies, and then pitch your offers on the WhatsApp. You can also send them emails. I recommend you guys to get the, just first create the Google Sheet, and then put out, just find a lot of emails from these agencies, and then just start pitching your services each day. Send, 3 to 500 emails to these agencies. Copy this again and then search it on Google. So they have a Facebook page, I guess. So you can also, search, you can also pitch them on Facebook. Just get their, email address there, from there, and or phone numbers. If you can find the phone numbers, you can also find it. I would want you guys to know this, that I don't know why this is not opening up, but this will, when you click on this will going to open up, and you will see the revenue, how much revenue this particular agency is making. If if the revenue is high, there's a chance they can hire you, because the agency is doing good in revenue. So there is a chance that if you pitch your services and just put out your offers in a best possible way, they will eventually hire you. And so you guys, you and the team, the agency will work together as a team for the other clients that they are that they're already working with, or they yes, yeah, the agency is already working with the clients. So I guess that's pretty much it. This is a way which you can find clients, or B2B businesses, agencies, using Upwork. So I hope you understand this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.